Bless you. Okay, before anyone, I do apologize as I'm doing it in English because Samoan is not amazing, but I did say this. This is not to finish anything. This is not finished. It's just the way before the weather. But just want to say a big thank you to our Whakatau Kuyonga and Whakatau Ona for today's event, for our Sunday school event. Actually, thank you so much for everything. This is probably our very last one that we will have with Mum and Dad, Kuyonga and Ona, until we invite you, like Mum said, to a wedding that happened. We'll definitely have another gathering. But we're forever grateful on behalf of our Sunday school kids, Mum and Dad, Kuyonga and Ona. We thank you so much for our blessings that you have given us throughout many years. There's many of these children that have been blessed and baptized by your hand. And from wonders that you have given, or youngers that you guys have given, but all in good timing and in love. We feel it, we know it, and we're forever grateful. We will definitely miss everything that you guys have taught and shared with us, in the good and the bad. But we're forever grateful that you are always so supportive of us, especially our young generation growing up. We've always said our kids is the generation of our church, and they are absolutely blessed to be loved and taught by both of you. I myself, on behalf of, I am very grateful. Grateful kids. Between not only myself and my Sunday school kids, but between me and my family in itself, there's no words that can express how thankful I am and how much I would really miss you. But rest in peace, don't worry. I have 11 kids. These will be invited to all their weddings, and God willing that the day will happen. But I'm forever thankful. We are forever thankful. All our kids, I'm pretty sure all our kids are understanding from the day that you guys started to the new environment you guys went into church, for the understanding of it. You brought it back for the kids, and I think that was a very part of it. So Mum and Dad, thank you so much for everything that you guys have done, and especially for gathering us here for our last Sunday school. Oh, but yes, I love you. Always. Your friend with you.
Yeah, okay now. Yeah. Aku mkanga kwenga kakuli fakashi mereka kushi. Ya, aku mau ku mai yema. Mau mai ki. Tapi ala ku aku itu. Aku fanya. So, mas kapu kana fakaya ku. Kapu wang sa. Mai masuir kapu mkanga kwenga mereka ku. Fai out, dia apa mereka lava.
And Dad, and for Dad, for all your love and blessings that you've given.
We have a fellow dad.
And like,
Yeah, on Nick. Tay sa so. Tay mo upo.
and Koseko.
Yeah.
Happy New Year.
Aba gulo tabi kama kuya lo kit. Ya mese ko ni ko na ko. Ko tela mo dia. No na dia. Kasi ako ya. Tono o ye tenisia so tabi ba futai. Ako pala suwa ang tong sa to ma. Ya tong. Ya te fecha talai fa now. Thank you, Sama. Thank you for speaking for our children, and it has been a real pleasure to witness the growth of all of you. Some of you were not born when we came, some of you were young little kids, but now you've grown to become very beautiful and pretty young men and young women. So we are so grateful to God to let us be part of your lives. And our prayers, me and my family, is that you can grow in the faith and be good boys and girls for your parents and have some good future for yourselves. We will continue to pray for you guys. And jokingly we say, but we mean it. Please invite me to, some of you get wedding, invite us. We would love to witness next step in your lives. And yeah, God bless you all, and God be with you in all your travels and all your journeys. And I hope you do well in whatever path you choose. I'm very hopeful that some of you would like to take up the mantle of being in the ministry. So I think hard about it. I hope my friend Mona will be very serious and take it up. It's a good calling. It's a good vocation, and and then some of you can be challenged when to go in the ministry and be 5 hours. In our Uniting Church, women can be 5 hours, and men can be 5 hours. So that's a good challenge. So I hope some of you take it up. If not, whatever paths you choose, whatever careers you do, may God bless you and enhance your lives and your dreams. So for today, thank you for being nice kids. And as I can see some rubbish, but before we leave, please let us all join together and pick up the rubbish and put it in the rubbish bin. And then, so we're gonna sing what's our next song, Susan? And then I will conclude with a prayer. Kaya lolo fiere fa maru tato marutanga.
Oh, Tano.
Pe le menei leo ma tamsi lo watu wala pui ma whamanuia au whanau nei a inga ma o mātou wō ma o mea mai ma le kalesia ia leo ina ma whamanuia ina i mātou o malawa a ngare lei i lau whanau leo lo mātou o atu le mea nei tau no ia inga ia vi ia lava lau fio whamangalo ni o mātou se a o leo lai fia tu ina atu ia vi ia i lava lau fio tu mau i o mātou longa le manuia le file mu ma le alofa silsile o le tua tol tasi le tama le alo malenga ang pa ia tu mau mafuta mai mato nei e wha mau lava amen.
Sunday school, bip! Hey! Hasi mo tato e karatia, bip! Hey! Hasi mo le tua, bip! Hey! Hello,